Hi Ray, I've just got a quick one with the See on Map button. So at the moment I am not logged in, and I'm not logged in, I don't think, nope, not logged into anything at the moment. And if I click on any of these, it should open in a new tab on the demo page, showing Noarlungi Rock at zoom 17, and at the moment this is what I get. I'll just pause the video and I'll come back once I've logged in and show you what it does once I'm logged in. Okay, so I've logged in to WP eMember, not logged into WordPress, and if I come down to the link and click on it, it opens in a new tab this time, but I get this blank page. So, and it looks like that divider there, that would be from the demo page, I believe, the footer. So I don't know why, because I've got the map page. But anyway, would you be able to investigate those two issues? As I said, it should open in a new tab and it should be zoomed right in on the marker at 17 with that marker label. Okay, great. Thanks, Ray.